mas maramdaman ni Miss Claudine. To Miss Claudine.
Is it a rabbit?
Ha? Kaya mo si Santino, bata naman yun. To Miss Claudine, be strong. Oh, yun lang po ang sinabi ko. Be strong. We love you no matter what happened, for better or worse. We will support you all the way. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. And do take care of two gays besides you. Hugs and kisses. Love, Mel. Wow.
This is mine, not yours.
Oh, nice.
Thank you so much.
iPad mini. Oh, ang ganda, no?
Favorite color ko. Thank you so much.
Ah, orange.
Ay!
Wow.
Hindi na yan.
Iningatan.
Vector na yan.
Oh, later.
Thank you.
Oh, picture for picture. Santino. Oh, picture.
Thank you so much.
Wow,
Sobrang
nice.
thank you.
Kay Miss Mel, oh.
Nag-abala pa ako.
Umpisa pa lang yan, ha? Tapos nabagsak na.
Hindi tayo para mas maaral si Miss Claudine.
Okay.
Okay.
Sino pa yung gusto magsalita?
Okay,
Miss Claudine?
wanna say something to Miss